Welcome to the Thomson Reuters ProView Practice Series. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can import your annotations, your bookmarks, notes, and highlights from one title into another. ProView notifies you when an updated version of a title is in your library. When you open the new version, you may be asked whether you want to move your bookmarks, notes, and highlights from the previous title to the new title. If you want to proceed with the import, simply choose the title you want to import annotations from. In this case, we'll choose an earlier version of the same title. Now you can see how many annotations there are in the previous title on the left side of the dialog box and how many there are in the new title on the right. When you choose Import, the process of moving the annotations begins. When the process is complete, you'll see the numbers of annotations that were moved to the new title on the right side and a message about the import process. When you close the dialog and open the new title, you'll see that the annotations from the previous version are now placed in the new version. You can also import annotations at any time by choosing Import Annotations on the Title Detail panel found in the Library view. Once the annotation process is completed, you may see a message that some annotations were displaced during the import process. Annotations are displaced if the content of the title changed between versions. You can view the displaced annotations by clicking Show Displaced Annotations at the bottom of the Annotations panel. Displaced bookmarks can be replaced in the book by navigating to the page you want to bookmark, selecting the bookmark in the Displaced Annotations list, and then choosing Move Bookmark to this page. You can also delete the displaced bookmark. Displaced highlights and notes can be placed in the new title either by searching the text of the new version for possible placement locations or by placing the highlight or note at the beginning of a section. To use the search placement method, choose Search Title for displaced text and then choose the correct location from the list of potential matches. You can place the annotation in the new location by choosing Place Note. You can also jump to the beginning of the section where the annotation belongs, highlight some text, and choose Attach Displaced Annotation from the Action menu. These annotations could also be deleted. This concludes ProView's Guide to Importing Annotations. To continue with the ProView Practice Series, please click on the next video that covers the Create and Share Content features. Thomson Reuters ProView. Your book's powered up. For more information, visit us at legalsolutions.tr.com/ProView.